in JTC, and as part of our mission, we deploy innovative ideas that help us develop green construction practices in Qatar and participate effectively in achieving Qatar National Vision 2030. We are pleased to be the leading and first contractor to deploy 3D printing technology construction sector in Qatar. We partnered with Texas A&M University.
We aim to develop new materials for Qatar environment. We involve students in our research in order to build capacity for the state of Qatar.
We have chosen to print the Flag of Glory sculpture to show the flexibility of geometry. We are ready to collaborate with all other stakeholders in Qatar to deliver rapid and sustainable construction.